Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Are you tired of wasting time figuring out what to eat during the week? We've got you covered with 10 quick, delicious, and healthy meal prep ideas that will save you hours and keep you energized. Let's dive in. First up, overnight oats. A no-cook breakfast that's ready when you wake up. Combine oats, your choice of milk, and a tablespoon of chia seeds in a jar. Add toppings like berries, nuts, or peanut butter. Store overnight, and enjoy in the morning. It's quick, customizable, and perfect for busy mornings.
Meal 2, grilled chicken and veggies, a protein-packed, versatile option. Season chicken breasts with your favorite spices and olive oil. Roast with veggies like broccoli, carrots, and zucchini. Pack into containers for a complete meal. It's easy to make in bulk and keeps well for days.
One-pot pasta is the ultimate comfort food without the hassle. Add pasta, marinara sauce, water, and vegetables to a pot. Cook until the pasta is tender and the sauce is thickened. Minimal cleanup, maximum flavor. Smoothie packs are perfect for on-the-go mornings. Pre-portion fruits, spinach, and protein powder into freezer bags. When you're ready, just blend with milk or yogurt. A quick, nutritious start to your day.
Meal 5, sheet pan dinners are a lifesaver. Just one pan and dinner is done. Add your choice of protein, like salmon or tofu, and surround it with veggies. Season everything and roast at 400 degrees Fahrenheit 200 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. It's perfect for dinner or meal prep. Meal 6, mason jar salads keep your greens fresh and crisp. Layer dressing at the bottom, followed by sturdy veggies, grains, protein, and leafy greens. Shake before eating and enjoy a fresh, portable lunch.
Stir-fry is quick, healthy, and endlessly customizable. Sauté your favorite veggies, add protein, and toss in a simple sauce like soy or teriyaki. Serve with rice or noodles for a complete meal.
Meal 8, egg muffins are a protein-packed breakfast or snack. Mix eggs, diced veggies, and cheese. Pour into muffin tins. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit 190 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Store in the fridge and reheat as needed. Meal 9, burrito bowls are easy to assemble and super filling. Start with rice or quinoa, add beans, grilled chicken, veggies, and your favorite toppings like salsa or guacamole. A restaurant-quality meal in minutes. Meal 10, snack boxes keep hunger at bay without the junk food. Fill small containers with a mix of nuts, cheese, fruits, and crackers. Perfect for work or when you're on the move.
And there you have it, 10 simple meal prep ideas to make your week easier and healthier. Which one are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more time-saving tips.